Welcome to 2167 Fairfax Road in Upper Arlington. I'm Paula Gilmore with the Kuntz team. I'm at our newest listing here, and I can't wait to show you around. This home was extensively remodeled, including an addition by Dave Fox. It feels like a brand new home, but includes all of the charm and character, hardwood floors, beautiful woodwork that you'd expect in a 1920s home. The focal point of the home is this expansive remodeled kitchen, which opens to a family room addition with walls of windows and tons of light. The generous master suite includes a fireplace, spa-like bathroom, and large walk-in closet. Three additional bedrooms with Elfa closet organizers, 2 full baths, and a laundry room are also featured on the second floor. The third floor features the 5th bedroom, an additional full bath, and a home office. This home is located on a prime street south of Lane. The street is known for the fantastic float they put together for the 4th of July parade every year. You'll also enjoy convenient access to schools, parks, Ohio State, shopping, dining, and entertainment.